this haul is going to be interesting AF. Today I'll teach you how to break a heart very flawlessly. Ha! This package in the morning or abhi I'm literally dying to show it to you guys so you guys can actually see. It's this big, okay? It's a 5 kg box which is full of goodies. Let me actually show it to you guys. How many goodies are there in this? So it's full of goodies. Like right there. इसमें obviously बहुत सारी चीज़ें तो हम इन सबको unbox करेंगे and I will show you guys. I will also tell you guys कि मेरे सबसे favorite products इनमें से अभी तक कौन से हैं. Obviously I have tested a few out और इनमें से कितनों के बारे में I'm like super duper excited. You know what's the best thing about all of these products right here? Yeah, so I got them all from Pakistan. And these are all original Too Faced goodies. And guess where I could get them from? I got them from Vegas.pk. You guys actually can check the link in the description box. सारी prices भी उसी के साथ mention करती हूँ कि मुझे अभी नहीं याद कि कौन सी चीज़ कितने की थी. So it's all mentioned in the description box. Now you know what really drove me to get all these things? The reason was कि Vegas पे जो चीज़ for example Too Faced की website पे $10 की है and अगर $10 convert into 1100 rupees पाकिस्तानी तो उतने की ही मिलेगी. तो external custom charges वगैरह जो हर brand की चीज़ें किसी भी online shop से खरीदो कहीं से भी खरीदो मुझे पता है कि वो charge होती हैं. For example, I wanted to order something जिसके that costed around $50. That costed around $50 in America, लेकिन यहाँ पे उसकी प्राइस 9,000 थी जबकि $50 almost converts into 5,500 से 6,000 something like that. And I was like, yaar, this is expensive. So the one thing that actually drove me to get all of these things right away was because ये उनकी original prices पे थी. And that's not it. There are lots of things जो कि इससे कम price पे भी थी. So you guys can actually check them out. अच्छे से शुरू करते हैं. So first of all, it is this Too Faced mixed with Kat Von D. ये Kat Von D की collaboration थी Too Faced के साथ. So this basically has an eyeshadow palette जिसके अंदर एक Kat Von D का portion है और एक Too Faced का. मगर the best part about this box, the reason that I bought it was कि उसके साथ एक Better Than Sex mascara और tattoo eyeliner जो कि I'm not sure if you guys know it or not, but these are the best mascara and eyeliners अभी तक, मतलब high end वाले. They are the best. So can you guys see? This is what this looks like. And does it break? You want to learn how to break a heart? That easy. Now it's like this palette channels both of my sides. अगर मेरा mood हो रहा है to look like a nice girl with very natural neutral tones, so this is the side that will serve me. और फिर अगर I have to channel the dark side or something like that, please खुल जाओ. Thanks. So it's like these dark blacks and grays and you know reds. So this is that side right here. I actually have the red from this palette right here onto my eyes today. You guys can actually figure it out. The Better Than Sex mascara. I have been waiting for so long to shoot a video on this and to get it for myself. I don't know why was I waiting for so long. Lekin I was dying. And साथ में ही we have the tattoo eyeliner by Kat Von D. So these two are known to be the best mascara and the best eyeliner out there. लेकिन obviously high end makeup के अंदर. Time for the second palette. So the second palette is from the Too Faced Natural collection. As you guys can see, इसका कहाँ से खोलूँ? Yeah. And these are all those everyday colors that we love. If you guys can actually see right here. So ये वो pinks वाला portion है. These are the nude portions, and of course when you mix and match these dark ones, you obviously get that dark smoky eye type of a look. ये सारे colors are more me than these colors. I think ये pink और purple वाले shades are less me क्योंकि शायद मैं इतना light makeup बहुत कम करती हूँ. Like when I want to look like really girly or something, that's when I would go for this palette maybe. So next is the chocolate palette by Too Faced. I'm sure Too Faced के बारे में किसी और product के बारे में सुना हो ना सुना हो, इसके बारे में तो सुना ही होगा for a fact. So this is what the chocolate bonbons palette looks like. Let's open it up. Oh wow. Check the colors out, guys. ये इसके जो स्मोकी ब्राउन्स हैं, ये कुछ पिंक्स हैं, काफ़ी सारे सिमिलर ग्रे टोन browns and everything, but people love this palette. So I haven't used it yet. I can't really talk about it so much. Until I create a look with it, I will know for sure okay, how crazy should I go on this palette right here. But because people love it, so has to be worth something really amazing. Let's figure out. Up next is this palette right here. It's called the Too Faced Totally Cute palette, and this is a totally cute palette. I'll tell you why. So when you open this up, तो इसके अंदर सिर्फ एक पैलेट नहीं है, साथ में स्टिकर्स भी हैं जिससे आप अपने पैलेट को कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो. So first I'm going to show you guys the stickers because that's what a kid I am. So this is the sticker sheet. Actually these both are the sticker sheets. इनके ऊपर से कोई भी stickers उतार सकते हैं, and I love this one. Exercise, I thought you said extra fries. So yeah, you know, you can actually just decorate your palette however you like with these stickers. That, my dearies, is what this palette looks like. These are a blend of such cute colors. ये pink or green or blue or orange. I'm in love with these colors. ये इतने प्यारे, and the best part is that they swatch really nicely. Let me show you. एक second. So these are the color payoffs of these 4 colors right here. अभी मैं अपना हाथ नहीं गंदा करना चाह रही, but I'm sure that you guys can see it. I'll make detailed videos on them so that you guys know. Up next is another favorite, जो कि Kat Von D और Too Faced की collaboration थी. I think मेरे favorites ज़्यादातर यही हैं. So इसके अंदर I will tell you guys why this is one of my favorites again. Can you guys see that? इतनी cute packaging है इसकी, and when you open it up, you find the cutest little thingies in it. I will actually show you. So पहले we have this mini little lipstick of Kat Von D. ये literally इतनी है. I mean, can you guys see? ये इतनी सी lipstick है, the size of my pinky, and it is such a beautiful nude color. Oh my god, this is that nude that I always go for. So you know, these are proper travel sized things, if I'm going to be honest. उसके बाद we have a mini Kat Von D. इसका नाम XO है. This shade is actually called XO, right? इस shade का नाम या तो Ox है या XO है. मैं बहुत अनपढ़ हूँ, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा. So we have one of this. उसके अलावा we have this such a cute little rosy glow highlighter. I'll show you guys what it looks like from inside as well. This is what it looks like from inside. और उसके अलावा we have this another cute little blush on. I love these Barbie sized items. You guys cannot even imagine. जब ये मैंने पहली दफ़ा देखा था, I went crazy about them. So मेरे ख्याल में if any one of you have those teenaged girls who are like obsessed with makeup and obsessed with brands, I think this would be a perfect gift. A, क्योंकि it's even beautiful, plus it's Too Faced and Kat Von D की collaboration, and the things are so cute in it. I mean, I think it would be the best gift. I could gift it to my sister, but I won't. Ha, of course, no. Boo boo, if you're watching this, no. And see, इसी size के, like the travel sizes, we have another of the collaboration of the Better Than Sex mascara and the tattoo eyeliner, just by the way. These are also the small versions of the बड़े वाले that I showed you. ये छोटा सा इसका tattoo eyeliner है, और ये इसका छोटा सा Better Than Sex mascara right here that you guys can see. Now with the Better Than Sex mascara, the only thing that I am... please don't get off. Thanks. Now, the only thing that I'm concerned about with the Better Than Sex mascara is कि मैंने सुना है कि बहुत जल्दी dry out हो जाता है, so you have to make sure that the lid is really tight at all times. और ये जो छोटा वाला है, इसकी usage time है भी 6 months. So now that I've got myself the mini packaging of this one, so I will want to use this first. इसको मैं अपने बैग में रखूँगी at all times ताकि this gets used quickly and more efficiently. On to another of the peachy glow thingies. Now I know कि सबने इसके बारे में बहुत सुना हुआ है, and people have raved, like beauty bloggers have raved about this because it smells like real peaches. I haven't smelled it yet. मुझे smell करके, oh my god, it really smells like peaches. If you guys have had that green tea peach smell wali, this exactly smells like that. Or if you guys are Pakistani and you guys have had those little peach jellies अपने पूरे बचपन में, this is exactly what it smells like. अच्छा, so इसके अंदर ये 3 शेड्स हैं. आई थिंक एक पापा डोंट पीच ही है, आई एम नॉट श्योर, लेकिन इनका एक शिमरी पीच ब्लश ऑन है जिसका नाम है पापा डोंट पीच, जो कि मेरे पास पड़ा हुआ है जस्ट बाय द वे. आई शो यू गाइज. तो एक ये है. Then we have 2 different highlighter colors and I think this one would be the brightest. That's what my gut says. But जब ये test out होगा तब पता चलेगा. अभी I'm just going to keep it back. This is the love that I was talking about. ये है Papa Don't Peach. This also smells like peaches. लेकिन my best friend had this and I used it. यार, this was one of the best blush-ons I've ever used. So you guys can actually see it's a very cute packaging, and when you open it up, it's called Papa Don't Peach. It's a very beautiful peach colored blush on. मैंने अभी भी यही लगाया है, if you guys can actually tell. तो ये सारा जो shimmer है, this is not all highlighter. Highlighter is only here. तो ये सारा जो shimmer है, it's obviously this peachy blush right here. I couldn't wait, so of course I had to try it on. I mean, I'm impatient. Quickly to this. We have a brow quickie and we have a sketch marker जो कि navy blue color में है. So I'm going to show you guys the brow quickie. अब ये मैंने obviously taupe color में नहीं लिया, मैंने इसको brunette में लिया था. उसकी वजह ये थी कि अब मेरे बाल जो हैं वो थोड़े से लाइट मैंने डाई कर दिए हैं, और उसके बाद अगर मैं कोई डार्क चीज़ अपने आईब्रोज पे यूज़ करती हूँ तो मेरी शक्ल से मेरे आईब्रोज बहुत, मेरे बालों से मेरे आईब्रोज बहुत अलग लगने लग जाते हैं. दैट्स वेरी रिटार्डेड. तो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ अ कलर लाइक दिस वन, ताकि मैं अगर थोड़ा भी लगाऊँ इट मैचेज माई हेयर कलर मोर, बिकॉज यू नो द आईब्रोज एंड द हेयर कलर शुड कॉम्प्लीमेंट ईच अदर. तो लेट्स ट्राई दिस आउट. ऑब्वियसली मैं ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करूँगी और इनके रिव्यूज़ आप लोगों को दूंगी. अभी आई एम जस्ट अनबॉक्सिंग, ट्राइंग देम आउट एंड शोइंग यू गाइज व्हाट दीज थिंग्स रियली आर. नाउ गोइंग ऑन टू द स्केच मार्कर. ओह, ये एक्चुअली मार्कर जैसा है. सो दिस लुक्स लाइक दिस, इट लिटरली लुक्स लाइक अ मार्कर. और इसके ऊपर एक्चुअली मेरा कोट भी लिखा हुआ है, टू ग्लैम टू गिव अ डैम. इफ यू गाइज हैव सीन माय रूम, वहाँ पर या एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पर इट इज़ रिटन टू ग्लैम टू गिव अ डैम. I like this already. Achha, so the tip is really pointy, if you guys can see. Wow. So one of the most amazing things that I could get my hands on was the mascara melt off. और ये melt off से क्या होता है, जब भी हमारे ऊपर वो waterproof mascara लगा हुआ होता है and we just can't get it off, मतलब वो जो एक crazy scene हो रहा होता है, right? तो ये उसके लिए है. और मैंने इसके बारे में कुछ reviews भी देखे थे, which is why I got it when I saw it. It's like, oopsie. So it's like this. It has a substance in it. एक formula type है इसके अंदर. Why does it smell like that? Oh, अच्छा, it doesn't smell like that anymore. पता नहीं क्यों एकदम से पहले बहुत गंदी स्मेल आई थी, but अब नहीं आ रही. So it has this oily thing in it. I'm sure किसी किस्म का oil based substance होगा इसके अंदर formula. So when you apply this onto your eyeliner, when you apply this onto your eyelashes, the mascara is going to melt off and then एक tissue से you can just like remove it and you're done. Now one of the most exciting things जिसके बारे में लोग मुझसे बहुत सवाल पूछते हैं actually, that do I have lip surgery? Guys, I don't. My lips look the same since the day I was born, okay? So yeah, लेकिन there are a few ways that you can make your lips look really plump. उनमें से एक obviously lip contouring और दूसरी चीज़ are these lip injections right here. अब मैंने बहुत सारे और यूट्यूबर्स के देखे थे रिव्यूज़ इसके ऊपर. This is in the shade Spice Girl, by the way. मैंने ऑलरेडी लगाया हुआ भी है. So if my lips are looking plumper than usual, that's better because we know that this works already. So अब क्या है कि इसको लगाने के बाद एकदम से एक बहुत tingly feeling होती है. पता नहीं, I don't know, like कुछ होता है, like when you put it on there's like this intense needle feeling और उसके बाद your lips get numb and थोड़ी देर के बाद you just automatically feel कि जैसे plump हो गए हैं or something like that. So this is the lip injection. ये बहुत सारे colors में भी आता है, but I, as you know, I like nude colors and pink colors more than any other color. So I got myself this one. As I was saying, I'm a girl who likes nude stuff. मैंने इनके Too Faced La Creme color drenched lip cream में से एक lip cream भी उठाई थी, which is in the shade Honey Bear, and this is what it looks like. अब ये obviously एक थोड़ा creamy सा texture है. I don't usually put on glossy stuff as you guys know, लेकिन this was worth the shot. I'll show you guys the color. Oh my god. You know how much I love nudes, na? I can't wait to try this on. I can't wait to try this on. Hi. Well, of course, but now is the turn for the pinks. And these are the most raved products of Too Faced actually. जो इनकी ये melted matte lip glosses हैं, they are known to be the best that they have. तो मैंने इनमें से 2 shades लिए, एक It's Happening और दूसरा Bend and Snap. So of course these are the kind of pinks that I like. एक बहुत extra चटाक pink है, the one that I put on थोड़ा थोड़ा rose, वो वाला, क्योंकि it's really matte और ये उतरता नहीं है. But the good thing about this is कि ColourPop की lipsticks इतना drying नहीं है. I've already tried these out. So this is the khatta wala? No, this is the darker pink that I have, and the khatta pink is inside here. इनका एक बहुत candy khatta pink भी था, वो I hated it just because of the color, but the formula is obviously amazing. So this is the khatta pink and this is the darker pink. एक second. Yes. The khatta pink, the darker pink. I love both of them already. मैं दोनों को use कर चुकी हूँ. Of course, I love them. So these are the last 2 things that I had to show you guys. Now everything is back in the box again. And if you guys enjoyed this video and want me to make more haul videos, let me know. And yeah, I'm sure that you guys are expecting me to shoot a video regarding all these products or testing out my favorite products and showcasing those to you. So let me know in the comments down below which products are you most excited about and really want reviews for. ताकि obviously ये बहुत सारा makeup I can't make one entire video on it, and I will be making the next video on those products. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys like this one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!